In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Salesforce to an Excel sheet. If you've ever found yourself needing to analyze your Salesforce data within Excel, you're not alone. Fortunately, the process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through each step. Let's begin by accessing your Salesforce account. Once you're there, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll see a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, and you'll want to select Advanced Setup from the list of options. This will bring you to a new page where we can start digging a bit deeper into our data export settings. Now, to make things easier, take a look at the left sidebar. You should see a search bar labeled Quick Find. In this bar, type Data Export and proceed to search. This search will help us quickly locate the specific area where you can manage and execute your data exports. Once you've typed in Data Export, you'll notice that in the results, under the Data section, there will be an option simply labeled Data Export. Click on this option and you'll be directed to the Data Export page. Here is where the real magic happens, as it allows us to select exactly what data we wish to export. On the Data Export page, you'll see a list of objects. These objects are essentially the categories of data within your Salesforce account. You'll have options like account, contact, and many more depending on your Salesforce configuration. It's important to be selective and choose only the objects you need to analyze within Excel. This will make your export process faster and your Excel files more manageable. After you've selected the desired objects, it's time to proceed by clicking the Start Export button. This button is prominent on the page, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. Once you click on it, Salesforce will begin generating your export files. This process might take a little while depending on the amount of data you're exporting, so feel free to take a short break and come back in a bit. When Salesforce has completed the export, you'll receive a zip file. This file contains your data in neat CSV format, one file for each object you selected. Open this zip file and inside you'll find the CSV files ready and waiting. Double click on any of these CSV files and they will open directly in Excel, where you can start your analysis. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to export your Salesforce data into Excel with ease. Once in Excel, you can make use of all its powerful data manipulation and analysis tools. Thanks for watching and happy data analyzing.